Hello and welcome back to the video. Today we will be discussing about Earth and its moon. Just doing the easy things first. The most important part about Earth is that it supports life, primarily because it has water and it has warmth from the sun, enough warmth of the sun to sustain life. The second great thing about Earth is that Earth has not always been like this. It was really hot and it had no oxygen. But gradually the temperature came down and oxygen could also be formed. Then water was also formed. It almost happened 3 billion years ago. So this is another important thing about Earth. And if you look at Earth from the space, you see it as blue and white. Blue because of the vast oceans and white because of the clouds. And it looks, it's the lights can also be seen from this space. The other important thing is that Earth is magnetic because it has molten iron in its core. You can see that a compass shows north, points towards the north direction because it gets attracted toward that. And it goes dark during the night and light during the day because it rotates on its own axis, and that rotation brings light on one part of the earth and does not light up the other part of the earth, causing day and night. The other important things that we can understand is that Earth has a moon, only one moon, and moon has very phases. It has the new moon, which is fully dark. We have the crescent moon, this one, which is sometimes called Eid Ka Chand. We also have the gibbous moon, which is just everything except the crescent part of the moon. So this whole is gibbous moon except this part. Yes. And then we have the first quarter moon. So first quarter moon is, if you can just see that if the moon is light up, the moon can be seen only in its half, then it's called the first quarter moon. Now, why does the moon have so many craters, you may ask? It is because the moon does not have an atmosphere on its own. So if any space rock or an asteroid or something of that comes and crashes into the moon, there is nothing to protect it and a crater is formed. The largest crater is Bailey and it is 300 kilometers across. Then it's also known that you cannot see the other side of the moon, so only one side of the moon can be seen, and this is because it takes the same amount of time for the moon to take a circle around the earth as it takes the earth to spin once. So that is why we cannot see the moon we cannot see the other side of the moon. And you can jump on the moon, and you can jump really high because you only weigh about a sixth of your actual weight because the gravity is much weaker there. And there are seas on the moon as well, but these are not just seas, they are craters which are called Maria, which is a Latin for seas, and they don't contain water. The first astronauts to visit the moon landed on the Sea of Tranquility. So the first astronauts who came to visit the moon, they landed on the Sea of Tranquility. So there is there is space for it. There is a structure that is made up, but there is no water. So that's another important thing about the moon. So in the next video, we will be discussing something about the Mars. Until then, I hope you have brushed up a little bit of your Earth and moon understanding. Until then, please take care, and I hope to see you soon in the next video.